Hey guys, it's Bree with Califia Candle Co. Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a studio vlog style video for you guys, just on some prep work I've been doing to get ready for launch day, which is on the 10th. I am so excited. I've been looking forward to this day for a really long time now, and I can't believe it's almost here. So I've just been super busy last week, and I'll be busy this week as well, just getting everything ready. So I figured I would kind of take you guys along with me. I hope you enjoy the content, and let's go ahead and jump in. So I just finished putting the warning labels on these, and I'm just gonna wipe them down one more time before I put the candle label on there. And I actually just got a new printer this week. So since the beginning, I've had my Canon laser printer, which I've enjoyed using. It's a great printer. The only issue is that with my craft labels, I would find that if I rub my fingers over them, or even if the label just kind of rubs up against anything, the words would start to rub off or kind of disappear. And it has always driven me nuts. I don't know why I never kind of, tried to find a solution to fix it. Well, I finally did for this relaunch because I was really tired of having that happen. And from my research, I was reading that the fuser in a laser printer needs to be hotter for the toner to adhere properly to the craft paper. So I tried to play around with my laser printer to fix that issue, and I could not. So I actually just ended up buying an Epson Eco Tank, and that is not an issue anymore for me, and I'm so relieved. So I'm going to list my laser printer for sale, and the Epson Eco Tank has taken its place, and I'm super happy with how these labels have been turning out. So there's the Trestles label, and it is not rubbing off at all. I need to order more of my Norden wick holders, so this was me improvising. So here's what I got going on for the candles. I need to make a few more. As you can see, they are uneven quantities because I ran out of jars. So I just got more delivered yesterday. So I'm just gonna keep building up inventory and making sure I'm well prepped for that. Now I am making room and linen sprays, and my friend Carissa from Anchor Lake Melting Co. had the bright idea of adding the fragrance oil to the room spray base bottle. So one of these bottles makes 4 room sprays. So you just add your fragrance oil to the bottle, and then you have basically a bottle for each scent that will make 4 sprays. So that is what I'm currently doing, is now pouring that into the actual spray bottles. And it's just a little bit easier to do it that way. And then you can store it too and have it already made. So I thought that was a helpful tip. Thank you, Carissa, for that. So I'm gonna get these all poured, and then I will work on labeling them. This scent smells so good. For my Tea Street scent, I use the Himalayan Orchid from Black Tie Barn. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. So now I'm working on labeling the room and linen sprays, and I did switch labels. So I used to do one on the front, one on the back. Now I've just put it all in one label and it wraps around the whole bottle, and I really am loving the way it looks. So this is the 6" by 2" label from Online Labels, and I'm using the candle labeler from Norden to try and get these on as straight as possible. And yeah, I've really been liking how these look. So I have the directions on one side on the back here, and then on the other side I have the ingredients and my website. And there we go. And I'm really liking these bottles. So the ones that I used for the Del Mar scent over here are from Glass Bottle Outlet, which is where I typically purchase these. But I was needing more, so last time I purchased the spray bottles, I decided to try them through Uline. I think I was placing an order on Uline anyway, and I just figured I would try their bottles, and I like them more, to be honest. They are just a little bit nicer quality. For some reason, the ones from Glass Bottle Outlet always have little nicks in the glass and imperfections, and these Uline ones are just in a lot better shape. So I'm really loving them. The only thing is they are more expensive. I forget how much. I need to do the math again, but I do believe they are quite a bit more expensive, so that might deter me from purchasing them again in the future, but for right now, they are working perfectly. All right, room and linen sprays are done. I will be making more. I just wanted to get some made of, you know, everything. And then the rest of the week, I'll just continue to build up inventory of things. But, well, it's so nice to see room sprays on the shelf again. So I did go back to the clamshell packaging If you remember in one of my previous videos, I was showing an eco-friendly packaging that I got, and I liked it and I liked the idea of it, but what I didn't realize until after I had already ordered them was that they weren't resealable. I probably should have realized that before I ordered them. So I didn't want to use them because I think with wax melts, it is, you know, somewhat important to close the packaging back up to kind of keep them fresh and keep the fragrance in. So back to the clamshells I go, and to be honest, they're just easier. They are recyclable, so it's not the worst, but I don't know. I think I'll always be on the hunt for better wax melt packaging. All right, well, it is officially the day before launch day, and I've pretty much finished everything I need to get done. Candles are made, wax melts are made, room and linen sprays are made, and I'm working on photos currently, so should have that done today and just kind of touching up the website a little bit. But we are getting so close. I am so excited for tomorrow, and thank you guys for joining along with me in getting ready and doing all the prep work, and I'll see you in the next video.